Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here with businesswithtrading.com doing a trading strategy recap for Wednesday the 25th of February. And today was a very interesting day. It was pretty interesting just because it was so choppy and ugly, but also, we were able to pull out 3.25 points on two trades. And that's always a good day when you are able to end the day positive. So basically, what happened today, the price kind of gapped down a little bit, closed it pretty quickly, and then started working its way lower. So from there, we started looking long, and we got long right down here. Actually, yeah, it would be right here. We got long right here, and we started, kind of watching price. We were thinking we were looking higher to be able to get out. Price kind of came up, back down, and then it finally came up here, allowing us to take profits. The price came back down, back up, just started chopping around a little bit. So, we kind of just watched things to see what would actually play out. Price kind of chopped around here as well. As it started to come up, we did take a short up here. Price, ended up chopping around after that. But we got short right here. So price basically came up and started to turn lower, and we took profits down here. So we were able to just get out. The market started looking differently to me. It wasn't really looking conducive on the downside. And that's one thing I go over very, very, detailed when I work with clients, and when I in the trading course that I have, is being able to read the markets and know where they're likely to go. And I use that to my advantage. That's one of my edges in the market, is being able to read price and know where things are headed. I don't use like fancy indicators and stuff like that, like the MACDs and all this other stuff that people use. I'm not knocking it. That's, if they use it and they're successful, good. But if you use it and you're not successful, maybe there's something else happening. So that's one thing that I like to do, is be able to know what's going on. And one sign of a good trader is knowing when you should be out of the market. Yeah, there's probably somebody out there that made money in this, in this mess right here. Probably somebody out there. But that person wasn't me, because I didn't really feel an advantage to trade that mess. In my opinion, that's what it was. There are a lot of different ways to trade. My style works for me. I've been using it for, I don't know, since 2006, 2007, something like that. And it works. And that's why I show it. It's ability to keep risk small and make money over time. That's what trading's all about. So we made money here on this move and made money here. So we made two trades today. You don't have to make a lot of trades to make money. You just have to make the ones you take count. And that's what I really wanted to show today and talk about. There are many different ways to trade the market. I take my approach, and obviously it's been like refined throughout the years. Trading since '07, it's a little over 8 years, or '06, '07. I don't remember when I refined my methodology to a level where I could just trade whenever I felt like it and make money. Uh, you know, Consistently. Obviously, I lose money sometimes, and that's what these videos are good for, because they show the times that I lose money. People are able to see that and email me and comment and stuff like that, and that's what the website's all about. It's about education. It's about learning, and that's I feel we do a good job doing that. So I wanted to highlight that just because you don't have to be in the market every time. If you feel that the market is just not working out for you, you can take a step back. Yeah, and I've been working with a guy for a few months on his psychology. Because sometimes that's sometimes you have stuff that you have to get over, and your psychology is the X factor. The system. It doesn't matter if you trade my system or a different system. Psychology is always going to be an issue. If that's the problem, it's always going to be an issue unless you fix it, and it's a lot harder to fix it by yourself from just reading books and stuff like that. It's something that isn't easily fixed. Like if you have a flat tire, you go fix it. No problem. It's easy. If your computer's broken, you can go buy a new one. Easy. That's an easy fix. If you have a trading system that you got somewhere and it's not working, you can go buy another one. There's some people out there selling some stuff that doesn't really work, but for the most part, I would think that most people out there are selling stuff that works for them. But your psychology is different. It's something that isn't easy to get over. From reading a book or taking a course. It's difficult to fix psychology because it is the X factor. Everyone's different. Everything is different, and really to take a cookie cutter approach is negligent. It really is. And I've talked to a lot of people about this subject over the past few weeks. Once I mentioned that I was taking on some one-on-one coaching clients, and it doesn't matter. Whatever you want to learn, swing trading, day trading, just work on psychology, work on a trading plan. I have fun doing education. I love working with people, meeting them, and being able to help. That's really what drives me. But anyway, wanted to talk about that a little bit. Highlight today, talk about it. Not everything really goes according to plan. And that's what this trade was right here. It was something that really just did not go according to plan. I found it interesting just because the markets don't go according to your schedule. The markets don't move according to what your analysis told you. And your markets don't move according to what the quote-unquote gurus on television say. Usually they go the opposite way. But no, who's keeping stats? But the main thing is being able to ebb and flow with the market. If you think it's doing something, you take a trade, all of a sudden it starts to do something else. You can bob and weave with it, and that's what tonight's video is really supposed to be about. So hopefully, you got something out of it. Something made some sense to you. You can always leave comments below. With that, thanks for watching the video. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.